What's going on, guys? Got another unboxing video here. Just got this package in the mail. Pop-Tarts. Yeah, not Pop-Tarts. It's got this box from Jeff Keim, aka Jeff Death, Death Studios. This is a smaller mask. It's one of the cheapest masks on his site. He was like $55 for this. Let's check it out.
A girl battled a mad baby. A cannibal family in an isolated farmhouse. Chainsaw fingers and bones. Her brother, her friends, barbecue. Chairs made of human skeletons. Then she sank into catatonia. Texas lawmen mounted a month-long manhunt, but could not locate the McLeod farmhouse. They could find no killers and no victims, no thanks. Officially on the record, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre never happened. But during the last 13 years, bizarre, grisly chainsaw mass murders have persisted all across the state of Texas. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre has not stopped. It haunts Texas. It seems to have no end.
If you guys can guess by the title of this mask is from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2. That movie came out in 1986 and was directed by Tobe Hooper, who also directed the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre that came out in the 70s. And this is just awesome. This mask came from Tom Savini's original master movie mold. The mold that he used to make the masks for the movie. The exact same mold was given to Jeff Death to make this. The mold that was used to make the masks in the movies, you know, it wasn't a great mold, so some of the detail wore away. But so when Jeff got the mold, he added a little bit of detail to it, just kind of went back over the details, and he sculpted the stitching in. So the stitching is sculpted in. You could go over it with real stitches if you wanted to, go a little more realistic, but I think it looks fine just the way it is.
This is Stretch on an open request line on K-Oakland in Berkeley, Texas.
Very cool. It's a really thick pull. All of Jeff's masks are really thick. I've never had a really thin mask from Jeff, but it's a really thick pull. It's made in that black latex that Jeff uses. I really like this black latex. It's really thick, really durable. Very cool. Again, from Tom Savini's master mold. The same mold that was used to make the mask for the movie Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2, which is one of my favorite in the series. Obviously the original is my favorite, but I love Part 2. It's probably my second favorite of them. I know a lot of people are diehard Part 3 fans. I like Part 3, but I think Part 2 is great. I like the design of the mask. So again, it's kind of almost like a piece of movie history, you know, derived from Tom Savini's original movie mold. Again, all Jeff did was went back in and went back over the detail, kind of made it a little dark, a little deeper, so that it would show back up in his masks. And he sculpted in the stitching, so that way he didn't have to. Every time he makes one of these, he didn't have to, you know, stitch it together individually. Not only would that take him longer, but he would charge you a lot more. Again, this mask, I forget what I paid. Yeah, $60 for this mask. He charges $60 for this, and then $7 for shipping, so $67 shipped, and that's not bad for a handmade, quality handmade mask.
Don't call me darling, damn it.
So yeah, very cool mask. I've wanted this one for a while, especially for the the price that it is. Can't believe I haven't picked this up sooner. And again, just a really amazing mask made by Jeff. Ear down there, nose right there. I've seen a few people get these and repaint them and do the stitching with actual stitches. I like it just the way it is. I think Jeff did a great job. I won't change it up any. I'll leave it just the way it is.
LG, get in here, please.
So yeah, awesome mask. It does come with 2 elastic straps that Jeff puts on there for you, so you can wear it if you'd like to. I might replace these with some leather ones, maybe just like some leather bootlaces or something, nothing too crazy. But yeah, definitely an awesome piece. For the price, it's just great, especially considering that it came from Tom's mold. He could charge a lot more just for that fact, but he doesn't. He charges what it costs him to make it and a little bit more for his efforts. Jeff's prices are always been really reasonable. His quality is top notch. You just can't beat Jeff Death's work. Again, yeah, from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2, came out in 1986, directed by Tobe Hooper. This mask was designed by Tom Savini, and this mask exactly right here was made by Jeff Kime, derived from Tom's original movie Master Mold. It's black on the inside. You could paint it red, I guess, if you wanted to. I see a lot of them with red on the inside, but this mask is meant to look like these faces have been stitched together and been like that for a while. So the inside of this wouldn't be red; it'd be more brown or something. So I'm not, like I said, I'm not going to do any modifications to this. I'm going to leave it exactly how it is. I like it. I like it just the way it is. Yeah. Very cool mask. Very affordable. Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2 leather face mask made by Death Studios. Yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.